a deep state of thought. My God, I don't know where I just was. I'm waiting on this project to load. It's taking so long. Did I really have this many tracks? So I wrote this song because I wanted to apply for Epidemic Sound, which is like royalty free YouTube music. I was like, shoot, these people paying $6,000 a song. I have well over 500 songs. I could at least sell them like 50 for that amount, you know? But one of my problems is I don't feel like I am. I don't feel like I am what? I don't feel like I'm good enough, okay? So whenever we upgrade to the next version of FL Studio, they give us a project so that we can see like how the pros do it. Like how did these people who really know what they're doing mix this project? I was like, if I'm going to apply for Epidemic Sound, I need high quality songs. So I went back to the project, which is by Kara. I went back to her project and I deleted all of the tracks and kept the instruments. The first song that I made, once I figured I would do this little process, I kept some of the instruments. Oh, but y'all, spoiler alert, I did not get to apply for Epidemic Sound because you can't be registered with the Performance Rights Organization, which is a songwriting collection organization. They're like created to protect us, the songwriters. Well, I am affiliated with BMI. I have been since like 2012. So I'm affiliated with BMI. So I cannot be a songwriter, a singer, a mixing or mastering engineer for any of their music, which really sucks because I need that money. So I used FPC, which is fruity, I don't know. Yeah, I filmed more than one video merging my desktop and microphone audio, but again, I'm gonna try to make it work. Program computer? No, I don't know. It's a drum programmer. So this is what I did. I just chose drum and bass 24 and then I just let it do its thing. I sent them to the mixer track using, the microphone was turned, but I sent them to the mixer track using Kara's project. So I've got the kick at 43, the snare at 45, the clap at 47, and they're all going into the drum bus. I just kept it as it was. I don't think I changed anything except for maybe the volume. So I did change something. The piano is kind of loud. I should have brought that down. But it is what it is. It's done now. So I kept the piano as it was, and I think the piano just goes straight into the master. It's so beautiful. Oops. So this is Edison Rhodes. I really like this beat. It makes me feel so happy. I might have to re-sing this song one day to just make it new, make it better. I really love it. It's like so smooth. That's the nice bass. Listening to it makes me want to mix it again because it sounded a bit rough. But I don't think this is my final mix. I think I have three sessions of this one song because my computer, if I add too much, it overloads. That's so nice. nice. I love this so much. I will love you